Alright guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you how I set up my FMA for BMAX category. Before we start, shout out to Enzo, AJ, JB, Kobe, and Kirby from Team Kaizen. Also to JPS from Team Occidental Mindoro. And if you're looking for advanced lubrication for your motor, Top Speed Motor Oil got your back with precision formula, anti-wear protection, and friction reduction to make your motor perform better. Check the link in the description box to order. Now let's go back to our video. Now let's first start the front section. For the rollers, I use 1312 DAR or double aluminum rollers with 25mm cap screw and high mount stabilizer. For the plates, I use 2 pieces of FC or fully cowled to make it sturdy. And then for the dampers, I use a cylinder dampers with the 25mm countersunk screw. Now for the brakes, I use a white sponge and then mount it on a popsicle, 2 pieces of popsicle. And then as you can see here, I use a lock nut to secure the front popsicle. Okay. Next, let's move on to the midsection. Now I use FRP for AR chassis, and currently I'm just using a regular screw, but soon I'm going to use a countersunk screw for this one. Okay, and this is how I mount it on the wings part. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Then for the dampers, I use heavy dampers with 30mm screw. Now let's move on to the rear section. For the plates, I use 2 pieces of wide FRP here. Now the reason why I use this one, it's because I want the rear section to be stiff, especially this area. Okay. And then for the rollers, this is a 19mm rollers. And then for the dampers, this is a slimline with 25mm screw. And then for the brakes, this is a regular FRP brakes, brake plate, with Super X chassis for the anti-sabot. Okay. Now for the rims, this is a small diameter carbon with super hard tires. Okay. For the motor, I use either Hyper Dash or Power Dash. And then for the gearing, for Hyper, usually it's either 3.5 or 3.7. But for Power Dash, I always go for 4.1 or 4.2. Now it's time to test this on the track. So I'll be going to different racing center to test our FMA BMAX build. Okay, let's go.